Okay, so right now it's January 15th, 2:27 p.m. in the afternoon. I finished using the carpet detergent cleaner and clean out this section of the master bedroom and also this section. Now before I did that, I used a regular vacuum cleaner to pick up all the debris. Pick up all the debris, everything. I clean. Laundry, still need to organize them. So that section I already vacuumed with a regular vacuum cleaner, but I haven't used the detergent cleaner yet. So I use the detergent cleaner up here, and then I use the detergent cleaner up here, and then I got all these stain that I couldn't get rid of. I guess yeah, I can feel it's wet, and they got the smell, detergent smell. So I use the detergent cleaner up until that point, and all this. I never washed this carpet for the last 10 years, more than 10 years. I picked up some hairs and I threw it in the garbage can. Here's the clean water tank. That's the dirty water tank. I dumped the dirty water outside in the front yard, in the lawn. I didn't dump it into the garden because I don't want to accidentally eat some stuff that I put in the garden. I want to use the garden to grow food, and I don't want to put those dirty water in the garden. Otherwise, I'll be eating my own dirty water. So avoid dumping those dirty water in the garden. Just dump it in the lawn or somewhere, or in the drainage system. Anyway, I gotta keep going. So I figured out the portion, the ratio of the clean water and the detergent. I use 3,000 milliliters of clean water, put it in the tank. Use a measure over there, 3,000 milliliters of water, warm water, and then 58 milliliters of detergent. I use a small measure. That's the ratio I'm using. Put it in the clean water tank and then plug it in, and then turn it on. Turn on using this button here. I just step on it and then press this lever to spray the clean water. And then the machine will pick up the dirty water. That's it. I couldn't get rid of this. I don't know what this is. It's something really hard. I still need to finish this section behind the door. So that's it. Keep going.